Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and tap that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out on the latest mobile gaming tips. Today, I've got something seriously cool to share with you. An easy hack method to unlock unlimited gems and coins in Airplane Chef's mobile game. This trick is super simple, works on both iOS and Android, and the best part? No need jailbreak rooting or a computer. I've tested it myself and it worked like a charm. My resources showed up right away. All right. Let me walk you through the whole process step by step. It's super simple and anyone can do it. Let's get started. First thing we need to do is find your user ID. This part is super important, so don't skip it. Just open up Airplane Chef's app, head over to your profile, and you'll find your user ID there, usually a mix of letters and numbers. Write it down or copy it somewhere. You'll need it in just a second. Got it? Cool, let's move to the next step. Now open your favorite browser. Chrome, Safari, whatever you want, and go to this site. They have mods and cheats for many popular games and apps. Today, we're focused on Airplane Chef's unlimited gems and coins hack. Use the search bar at the top to find the hack quickly. Simple stuff so far, right? Let's keep it going. All right, now we're on the main setup page. You'll see a short form you need to fill out. Here's what you do. Pick your device platform and paste in your user ID from earlier. Double check everything and then hit the connect button. Now the tool will link up with your game account. It's all automatic and totally secure, so just let it do its thing for a minute. Once your account is connected, it'll let you pick how much gems and coins you want. Go ahead and choose the amount you need, then tap Generate. The system will start working, setting things up in the background, using proxies and bypassing checks. Might take a minute or two, so just hang tight. Almost done now. Now there's just one last step left. A quick verification to prove that you're a real person and not a bot spamming the system. It's usually something super easy like downloading and running a free app from the official app store. It only takes a few minutes. If you're not sure what to do, there's even a video guide on the site that walks you through the process. Just follow the instructions and you'll be fine. Once you're done with verification, the resources get added to your account automatically. That's it, no extra steps. I've already gone through the whole process, so I'm not repeating it here. But trust me, it works. Just head back into the game and bam, check out my resources balance loaded up and ready to go. Now I can play without worrying about running out of anything. And that's the full guide. If this helped you out, give the video a like and share it with your friends. Got questions or ran into a hiccup? Drop a comment and I'll try to help when I can. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell so you never miss a future trick or tutorial. Thanks for watching, happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.